Divorce settlements in Texas are impacted by various factors, including the needs of each spouse, the contributions of each spouse to the marriage, and the overall financial situation of the couple. In addition, the duration of a marriage largely changes the outcome of a divorce. Hi, I'm Stacie Moss, one of the attorneys here at the law office of Bryan Fagan. Let's begin with the basics. What happens if your divorce case ends up in a courtroom? Once you file for divorce, the case is completely in the hands of a family court judge. The judge will analyze the submitted evidence and issue a series of decisions. You and your spouse would then live by those orders. This is a problematic situation for many reasons. No matter how well your attorney has presented the case or how thoroughly the judge has viewed the evidence, they don't know your family as well as you do. To avoid this situation, we recommend our clients settle their divorce with the assistance of a mediator. So what is a mediator? And what is the role of a mediator? Mediation is a process where you and your spouse mutually agree to have a third-party attorney host the two of you and your lawyers for formal settlement negotiations. The role of a mediator is to help you and your spouse find common ground to resolve your differences. The mediator will go back and forth between you and your spouse to communicate settlement offers and counteroffers and guide you about different prospects of going to trial. Don't assume your case can't be resolved without a judge issuing a ruling. Mediation can change the course of your divorce for the better. Now let's discuss the impact of marriage length on your divorce negotiations. Property divisions and child conservatorship are two parts of a divorce. The length of your marriage directly and indirectly impacts both sides of your divorce. Texas is a community property state, meaning all of the property and debts acquired during the marriage are considered to be owned equally by each of the spouses. The longer your marriage, the more likely it is that your community property will be greater in number than if you were married for a short period of time. Moving on, the length of your marriage also impacts the division of your retirement income. Your retirement income might be divisible if you were married for at least 10 years. Spousal maintenance, also known as spousal support, can be awarded to one spouse if they have been married for at least 10 years. However, the decision to award spousal maintenance is not guaranteed and depends on several factors, such as the length of the marriage, the income and earning capacity of each of the spouses, the contribution of each spouse to the marriage. The length of your marriage impacts how child custody is determined. If you were married for a very long time, then it is unlikely you have minor children whose rights and duties will be a part of your settlement. Parents who have been married for a short period of time are more likely to be parents of young children, which will be an issue settled by the court or through negotiations. The length of the marriage can indirectly impact child custody by affecting the court's view of the parent's ability to co-parent effectively. For instance, if you and your spouse have been together for a long time and have a history of successfully co-parenting, then the court could be more inclined to award joint conservatorship and equal parenting time. Divorce settlements can get overwhelming, but keep in mind that you have the option of negotiation. Rather than waiting for a judge to determine the course of your life, take an active part and analyze different factors contributing to your divorce case. Contact the law office of Bryan Fagan today at 281-810-9760 to schedule a free of charge consultation with one of our experienced family law attorneys to discuss your specific conditions. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to learn more about the world of Texas divorce law.